Okay, we've got a bit of a quick one today, hopefully. This is a return. I'm just going to slice off the postage label because it's got the office address on it, which isn't a problem, but it's also got the customer's address on it, so can't have that going out. That's a bit of GDPR skullduggery there. So yeah, right, we've got a box. Let's zoom out. Let's get this open, and yeah, there's a cable. And inside here there should be a 3DS. I'll leave that cable for the time being, but if you have a look, the bit for the charging port appears to have fallen out. It's missing the piece that goes around those two pins. So I have cheated a little bit. I've already removed this from another board, but I am going to pop this open. There should be a warranty sticker under here. If not, I'm going to be very disappointed and grumpy. No, see, warranty sticker still there, so this is not the customer's fault. That has fallen apart, and I need to get this repaired and get it sent straight back out the door today, so that they are not inconvenienced any more than they have been already. Obviously, I paid for the return shipping because it's company's fault. Right, well, I wouldn't say it's, well, it is our fault that it was sent out like that. Although I suspect, like this was already on the channel once before, and we charged it up and it was fine. I suspect as I removed the charger, it took that out with it. In fact, let's have a quick look at that cable that's in the box. No, it's not in there. I just wonder if that just got pulled out whilst getting put back together. But hey ho, we'll get this swapped round and then I'll get it boxed nicely back up and sent back to the customer tonight. So this should be a nice quick 5 to 10 minute fix, as all we need to do is get the back off. That bit of a clean up, and yeah, get this removed and replaced. So it's quite warm, but let's clean the tip of the iron up. And as you can see, that's been removed, and then we'll get this one. Hold it in place. Yeah, you can see that a bit better. Try not to burn myself. Just have some fresh solder on those. Excellent. Now, let's zoom back out. Flip it over. Yep, that looks good. Now, are we plugged in with a DS cable? Yep. Now that the solder's actually set, that is quite a nice connection. I'm going to tap them a little bit more. Lovely. Right, stick the back on. And that will possibly be the quickest video we have on this channel of how to replace the charging port on a 3DS original. Just another screw in this side. Get the battery in. And find the cable again, because it's here, there and everywhere. But there you go. Lovely. Charging away nicely. Right, thanks for watching that super quick fix. I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye.